I got a call from a homeowner says that her system is running inside and outside, but it's just not cooling for her. Set the thermostat and it's definitely running inside, so let's go outside. Well, I hear the fan running, but I don't hear the growl of the compressor down low. You should hear two distinct sounds. Let's check out the capacitor. I should be reading 40 here. Yep, got a bad capacitor. We'll switch it to the other side. Man, somebody boogered that thing up. So here we should be reading 5, and it's completely dead. So we got a failed capacitor again. There, 40 and a 5. 40 for the compressor, 5 for the fan. I wonder who put this in. This thing's all mangled up. That's horrible. You know, a lazy technician, or even not even a technician, if they leave the capacitor in the box, that's a fire hazard. That's a place of water to soak in. It's a problem. Just spend a couple extra minutes, do it right. We use plumber strap. Strap it in nice and secure. Not leaning on anything, not touching, not rubbing on anything. Good clean install. Well, now that we got the capacitor in, let's fire this thing up and see if we get some different noises now. There we go. You hear the two distinct noises. One is the fan, and then you can hear the little growl or grumble of the compressor. Outdoor temperature was a little cool this morning, so it's going to take a minute for it to start circulating the Freon. That'll give us high amperage and a loud startup, but it'll settle down in just a second. There we go. That's what I like. Well, let's button this thing back up. Check the inside temperatures. Everything's blowing nice and cold. We're good to go on this one. Another happy customer.